how to make your TikTok account private. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Once you're here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go over to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. You can edit and view your profile information from here. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, you need to select Settings and Privacy from the bottom. After that, go to Privacy. Here, turn on the Private Account option. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Following these steps, you can easily make your TikTok account private. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.